Starting around the 7th of June 2023, exceptionally smooth love Elixir certainly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.65% in truly most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner. SLP certainly has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $83,414,927 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,704,954, which by and large is very critical. This for the most part makes commonly smooth love mixture by and large positioning at 281 in the digital currency market in an essentially enormous manner. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the smooth love Elixir cost forecast finish of 2023, what will extremely smooth love mixture by and large be somewhat worth in 2023, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking? Is truly smooth love mixture an essentially wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in a really significant manner? Will SLP value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, which generally is very huge? These really are in every practical sense smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP's future in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2023 as per the very smooth love Elixir estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the SLP cost especially is supposed to generally cross a kind of normal value level of $0. The normal pretty least value worth of essentially smooth love Elixir toward the finish of the really current year ought to be $0 a kind of significant manner. Besides, SLP can by and large arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $0, which sort of is very huge. SLP value conjecture June 2023. The very smooth love mixture figure for June 2023 expects that the SLP may in every practical sense arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0, a sort of least cost of around $0, a genuinely significant manner. Discussing the exceptionally normal value SLP can truly stretch around $0 June in an every practical sense, enormous way. Smooth love Elixir value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of kind of smooth love mixture in a real sense is supposed to be at around a very least of $0. Smooth love Elixir cost can basically arrive at a truly limit of $0 in every practical sense. Normal cost of $0 USD, or so they by and large thought. Smooth love mixture value expectation August 2023. The cost for especially smooth love Elixir in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, which most certainly is very huge. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0, which in a real sense is very critical. SLP value estimate September 2023. The kind of smooth love Elixir gauge for September 2023 expects that the SLP may truly arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, a truly least cost of around $0, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the sort of typical value SLP can stretch around $0 September in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love mixture value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of genuinely smooth love Elixir in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0, a kind of least of $0, a quite enormous manner. SLP value conjecture November 2023. With respect to November 2023, genuinely smooth love mixture certainly is supposed to especially arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0, showing the way that discussing the typical value SLP can stretch around $0 June. The SLP cost could truly arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0, the exceptionally normal cost around $0, or so they fundamentally thought. Smooth love Elixir value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, beautiful smooth love mixture cost for the most part is figured to truly arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. The SLP cost could especially arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0, the exceptionally normal expected cost around $0, a very significant manner. Smooth love mixture fundamentally past value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours. The crypto explicitly has been in every practical sense diminished by 1.28% in its really current worth. In the event that we fundamentally look at the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday, you can by and large see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down. So assuming you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the genuinely smooth love mixture cost forecast finish of 2023, what will smooth love Elixir basically be really worth in 2023? Which essentially is genuinely critical. Smooth love Elixir truly is confronting a by and large tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The SLP generally is down to nearly 7.34% in the absolute most recent 7 days, showing how extremely smooth love elixir especially past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every practical sense has been explicitly diminished by 1.28% in its sort of current worth in a kind of significant manner. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for in every practical sense. Recent days, the coin could generally have in every practical sense solid essentials at the same time. We don't in a real sense feel that it would a beneficial resource and certainly transient in a fundamentally enormous manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP truly diminished by 33.486%, disposing of an incredible certainly normal amount of $0 its truly current worth, showing that besides SLP can essentially arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0, which most certainly is very huge. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a very decent truly purchase a potential open door for speedy speculation, which truly is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 32.42%, and the cost commonly circled from a base fundamentally normal cost of $0 truly most extreme normal cost of $0 the in every practical sense. Recent days, which truly is very critical. Smooth love elixir for the most part is somewhere near 3.51% with the kind of greatest by and large normal cost of the coin generally was around $0 the fundamentally least truly normal cost of for the most part around $0 especially beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. Smooth love elixir value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will basically be smooth love mixture especially worth in 2023, which is very huge. The SLP cost especially is determined to really arrive at a most extreme degree of $0 especially least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, which is very critical. Does sort of smooth love elixir essentially have a future, or so they fundamentally thought? As far as cost, exceptionally smooth love mixture basically has a remarkable truly potential to arrive at new levels amazingly as a matter of fact. It really is figured that SLP will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way, as per really unambiguous specialists and business experts. Kind of smooth love elixir can in a real sense hit the greatest cost of 1 cent till 2030 and in every way that really matters, significant way. Is by and large smooth love mixture truly worth purchasing in 2023, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Smooth love potion S worth truly is supposed to by and large keep on growing, as deficiency will in general fundamentally empower cost rise, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Kindly note, there generally is a gamble to any interest incredibly. Just in a real sense put resources into what you can generally achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the sort of greatest examination conceivable. So as far as costs, fundamentally smooth love mixture especially has an extraordinary essentially potential to arrive at new levels, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking in a real sense.